Ezi zingongoma zeendaba kwijelo losasazo SABC Auckland Park eRhawutini. Abahlali baseMzantsi Afrika bexhalabiswa kukubona uba ucalucalulo ngokwebala alukapheli ncam ezweni esiphila kulo. Isithethi segqiza lovuka-mntu omnyama sibonakalise imbilini yaso ngale nyewe sichaze sathi, kwiminyaka eli-13 yonke yenkululeko kodwa nangoku ucalucalulo lusarhubuluza. Soze ubone namnye umntana womlungu ezikolweni zabantu abamnyama. Kusengabantu abamhlophe kuphela abafundisa abantwana babo ezikolweni zabantu abamhlophe. Isithethi sichaze sathi, inkululeko yatholakala kodwa i-apartheid yona isekhona. Ikomiti yezabasebenzi nequmrhu i-Aligned Workers Union yenze uqhankqalazo inyanzelisa isebe lezempilo ukuba lingaqhawuli izivumelwano zemisebenzi yabantu abaneminyaka eqala ku-50 years ukuya phezulu.
So some of the solutions that we have heard earlier on when we arrived here from the General Secretary of NUPSO is that contracts were extended for 6 months, especially for those who are over 55 in the Department of COGTA. However, they are not happy with those resolutions. But Ayanda, just to speak to us more about that is Usolima Limela, the General Secretary of NUPSO, who's just going to speak to us about these issues. And Tata Malema, thank you so much for your time and for joining us this morning at the SABC. You are here, you are marching. Are there any solutions that you are bringing to the two departments this morning?
Yes, we're going to submit a memorandum, but I must say there are developments, especially in the Department of Health, our engagement with the Minister of Health, but we are saying to him we can no longer have patience on this matter. He needs to fast track it. CHWs across the country must be permanent. STS councillors must be permanent, but there's this one old man in COGTA called Tlabisa, who is 60 years old, but sending people who are younger than him home to suffer. So we are saying that will never happen. That decision is insane. We're demanding that the CWP workers be appointed on permanent position. And we are not going to rest. We are mobilizing the entire country. We want to close this chapter or this agenda of the CHWs. And we must say there's no other trade union movement that is fighting for these community health workers. We started this struggle a long time ago. We managed to sign an agreement in council which talks about absorption. Now, what is happening now is that provinces are delaying to implement that resolution. The only province that fully complied with that resolution is Gauteng. So this year, we are going to fight the minister so that we